Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer domain from Squarespace to Cloudflare. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly even if your screen looks different. And this will help consolidate your domain management in Cloudflare for easier DNS control and security. So first, you will log into your Squarespace account and then go to your account settings, and then what you will do is you will basically just have to go to your manage domain to domains or manage domain. So it should be right here. Again, you do have to make sure that you do have the full access of the website, so you will be able to see this. And then after you see your manage domains, you will just have to select your domain and unlock it under the domain lock. So you should make sure that you do have your domains here, or you do already have your domain. And after that, you will just have to copy the authorization code or EPP code provided by Squarespace, and then you will just have to log into your Cloudflare account and go to registrar or transfer domain. So it should be right here. You could also search for it if you want. So or here on the search bar. So you will look for something like transfer domain. So yeah, what you will do is just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to log in to enter your domain name, paste the authorization code, and follow the prompts to complete the payment if required. And then basically, you'll just have to confirm the transfer via email from both Squarespace and Cloudflare. The process may take up to 7 days, and the Cloudflare may will notify you once completed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.